Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, today onwards we are going to create one Spring Boot course on 2023. Okay, in Spring Boot course you are going to learn from scratch to advanced level. We are going to cover from beginner level to advanced level. Okay, if you do not know anything about Spring Boot course, right? Do not worry about that. I will try to cover all the topics. Okay. I just want to add some points here. In Spring Boot course, you will learn what is Spring Boot, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages. If we have already Spring framework, why should we go to Spring Boot? What are the main advantages of Spring Boot? Okay. After that, we are going to create CRUD operations by using Spring Boot along with MySQL database. How we can communicate with uh, Java application to MySQL database by using Hibernate and JPA, and after that we are going to cover like mappings one to one, one to many, like that. Yeah. Apart from that, I am also planning to cover the Spring security in this course. Okay. I hope guys you like my videos. If you like my videos, please like and do subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell button. Okay, you will get the next videos notifications. Okay, without any delay, let's get started the today's topic. Okay, so today's topic, just I want to share with you some points, that is prerequisites. If you want to create Spring Boot application, right, what are the prerequisites we need, which I which are the I added in PDF, like core Java, Spring basic of Spring framework, MySQL. I hope guys you know at least these things. Even if you do not know these things, right, do not worry about that. I will cover it in soon. Please let me know in the comment section. Okay. In basic of Spring framework, at least you should know like what is the dependency injections, types of dependency injections, and if you know Spring MEC, right, it is better. Okay. Suppose consider someone is new in Spring or like Spring framework. Even they do not installed in some like JDK and MySQL, Postman, STS, these them in their system. That's why I just added some points here to system setup. Here, first point is install JDK. As you know, right, if you want to create Java applications, we should have installed JDK in our local system, right? If you do not have, do not worry about that. I will add this link into the description box. Please go through that link and you can just install the JDK. Like that, I have I will give the other links as well, MySQL and Postman and STS, these things. Here guys, I just want to show that interface. If you click that install JDK, that link, right, you will get this interface. Let me share that thing. Once you click that JDK, right, you will get this interface. You can just select your according to your OS. If you are Windows, you can just download the .exe file. Okay. Once you download it, you can just install it by clicking next. Okay. Once it done successfully, you can once you download it, right, you need to add the path in environment in system. Just click here env, hit enter. Here you can click the environment variables. Once you click environment variable, right, here you can see this path, right. Just click on path and just click here edit, click new. Here click new. You can just paste here that is the JDK path. Let me show that as well. Here you can see the see programs. See that programs or something, right? Yes. Once you install that JDK, right, that JDK can install in that particular directory path. Yeah, you can just copy this path and paste in here. Here means once you click new, right, here you can just paste that, click OK, 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 like that. You click here OK, here also OK, like this. You can do that, just OK. Okay, once you do that, after that you can just go to the command prompt, just type cmd, hit enter. You can just click here java hyphen version. Okay, if you hit enter, right, you can see the java version. Okay, I already installed JDK in my system. Here what I can see. Okay, I hope you do this thing. Okay, once JDK installed successfully, then you can come to the next point, which is MySQL. Okay, once you hit this URL, once you hit this URL in browser, right, you will get the this page, this page. Okay, once you get this page, right, you can just, here we have the download button, right. By clicking the download button, just download this file and install it by clicking next. Okay, after that we have the another one link, which is Postman. Postman is it is a API testing tool. Okay, as you know, right, by using Spring Boot we can create the REST APIs. If you want to test REST APIs, you can test through Postman. That's why please download this Postman tool. By if you click that link, right, this page will come, and just click here download something, is right, Windows 64-bit. Once you click it, Postman tool is downloaded in your system. Okay, and last one, here we have the STS. STS is it is ID. Okay, we can say like that. ID means integrated or development environment, maybe like that. ID is okay. STS Spring Tool Suite. It is long form is Spring Tool Suite. For that, okay, 1 second, guys. Can once you hit that URL, right, you can see that this interface. You can, according to your operating system, choose that your operating system, and once click here, it is download that executable jar file in our system. Okay, for that you can just open that jar files. Okay, I hope you do these things. It is not that much difficult. Okay, here once you do the installing JDK, MySQL, Postman, and STS, almost we are good with starting the Spring Boot application. Okay, I hope guys you will do these things. Once we do these things, right, after that we will try to create the Spring Boot application. Okay, from next video I will try to just make some video on from scratch Spring Boot, like what are the Spring Boot, what is the Spring Boot, what are the advantages, and why even we have the Spring framework, like why should we go to the Spring Boot, like that's why I want to add such type of points in the next video. Okay, I hope guys you like this video. If you like my video, please like and do subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you guys, have a great day.